Recently, a video went viral where Leilala Fernandez was strongly criticized by her father/coach during a match. People can debate the tone, the words, the context, but for junior tennis parents, the lesson is simple. When you criticize a player in public, they don't hear tactics. They feel shame, and shame does not help a child compete better. There is a rule that works in sport, school, business, and family. Praise in public, correct in private. After the match, yes, talk, analyze, be honest, but do it in a calm place where the child feels safe enough to listen. Because your goal is not to win the argument. Your goal is to help your player grow. And this is the rule every tennis parent should remember. In public, protect their confidence. In private, help them improve.